In this video, we're gonna see the course structure. So we're gonna start from the fundamentals. Here you are going to learn the basics of the language in JavaScript, data types, functions, local storage, arrays, objects, control structures, iterators, and more. Here you are going to learn the basics of the language, the syntax, reserved keywords, how to create variables, strings, and other important topics that you need to learn before start working with the language. Then once we finish the fundamentals, we are going to start working with the DOM scripting, how to create, how to modify, read and remove HTML elements. Everything is going to be part of the DOM scripting. Next, we're going to build some projects. We're going to put in practice what we have learned in the fundamentals and DOM scripting with some projects. Then we're moving to a more intermediate and advanced topics, such as classes, prototypes, generators, arrow functions, iterators, sets, maps, Ajax, fetch API, promises, callbacks, async await. Everything is going to be covered in this course. Then we're gonna see what is asynchronous JavaScript. You are going to learn how to read and work with REST APIs, and we're gonna build some other projects. These projects will contain everything we have learned in this course, so they are going to be more complete than the first ones. So let's review some of the projects included with this course. We're gonna create a simple simulate email, a shopping cart, a name generator API, display events from the Eventbrite API, a weekly budget app, a cryptocurrency rates API, fetch API, save into local storage, car insurance quotation, and we're gonna develop a lot of different examples. We're gonna master the fundamentals, and then we're gonna start building projects. We're gonna continue learning more intermediate and advanced topics, and we're gonna continue building more projects. For me, the best way to learn is to build projects, and I have prepared several different examples using different techniques so you can become an expert in JavaScript.